Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we enter the data bars format in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to do this, first we have to select the cell or the multiple of cell, or we can select the entire row or entire column. And after selecting, like I'm selecting this B column, and after selecting, just click on home, and in this style group click in the conditional formatting followed by this data bars. After selecting, here you have two options: either you can fill the solid colors or the gradient fill. As in the gradient fill, the same color having the different intensity, the shaded portion like that, and in solid color fill it is a solid color. For example, I'm selecting this one, orange, and as you can see guys, the maximum fee is 19,000, so the bar represent the full colored, and the minimum is 5,000, so the bar is very less in color. Similarly, we can do this with all the cells and all the columns. Just do the same, click on the home button, conditional formatting, and again this time I'm selecting this gradient fill, red color, and as you can see, this 489 is the maximum we have and the lowest we have is the 120, so it's having less than the half colored. Get it? So it represents a bar like structure. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.